That's right. Look what I got. I told you guys I was going to be coming on here with a surprise. So I thought I would try this out. All the Christmas palettes seems like everybody were getting, even the Yoda palette. A lot of people got that one. This is the palette that I didn't see too many people getting, at least not so far. When they launched this one, I believe they did it with another influencer, and she slips my mind, but the palette didn't. And it didn't because when I saw the cover of the palette, I was looking at these shades, these pinks and mauves. Now it's a neutral palette, but it does have the pinks and the mauve colors in this one. And it is the 35x0 Artistry palette. It's the natural Artistry palette. But it is for the year 2020 from Morphe, from Morphe Cosmetics. There she be. And it's gorgeous. I done dipped my fingers in it just to see what the swatches were. And they're stunning. Is that Christmas or what? So I definitely, for the price point that Morphe was launching this with, it was phenomenal. I paid $20 for this palette. And it is, I think it's a 30 pan palette. If I have my glasses on, it might help. Oh, might be 35. That's why it says a 35x0. But anyway, it's a gorgeous palette. Look at that. I'll show you again. Now, it does have a lot of browns, but this is like a purple kind of. It does have these glitters. It has the shimmers, has this one greenish color here. I mean, I don't know if I swam, but it might be the same one. But look at that. That's just beautiful. So for $20, it's got this peachy color. I think it's so pretty. It's got the pinkish. This is like a pinky. This is a pinky. Pinkish brown right here. But I think on it looks more, yeah, it's a pinkish brown. It's beautiful. And man, look at those. Those are just just crazy. But anyway, it was such $20, guys. Now, I did pull up the site before I came on, and it is up now to $25, but still, it is such a gorgeous palette. And while I was on there, I did get free shipping, and I think I got a percentage off, because if you're new to buying stuff on the site, then you just put your email address, and I believe they send you a 10% discount. That might be how I got the palette for $20. But I did pick up several items. The eyeshadow palette I got for $20. I picked up a white base, and I got it for $15. This is just, I got this just to really to go in with the pastels that I have in other eyeshadow palettes. Just because I'm like a cool neutral, and it's hard to kind of like see the pastels on my skin tone. So I went ahead and got the white base. And that was $15, but the deal, besides the eyeshadow palette, for $20, man, is crazy. That's right, it's crazy. So the other thing that two things that I got were outrageously a good price. So I picked both of them up. They do have, as far as the nudes go, I think they have like 4 different variations of the nudes. I picked up 2 of them. The first one is a nude pink. And we'll bring that out. But price point, guys, I paid $12 for these lip kits. You get the lip liner from Morphe. So, and it's a big pencil. It's a long pencil. You get the lipstick, which is very pretty designed. Very pretty. And then you get the lip gloss. So let's start first with and this was again nude pink. And that's what I have on right now. That's the pencil. Very pretty. And then the lipstick, I love the lipstick. That's the color of the lipstick. And we'll put it right by the liner, just here. And then you go over top with, and it's so pretty. It's slick looking. It's just a very pretty design that they have for these kits. And here is the lip gloss that goes over top of it. It's right here. And that's what I have on tonight. Very, very pretty. Now the dog's gonna start barking. Beautiful. The other one that I got, I'll tell you, if I had the money, I would have bought all 4 of them. Because at $12.50, I'm sorry, it's $12.80. This last one is blushing nude. So, let's see, maybe we can do it here. This is the liner. It's a little bit darker. And this is the lip color. They just go so well with the palette. And then this is the lip gloss. They're just very, very pretty. And they go on so smooth. They just glide on. And they're comfortable to wear. The lip gloss is not tacky at all. The lipstick goes on smoothly. The liner. I'd say if I want another lip kit, that's where I'll probably go back to, is Morphe, because I love the formula. The lip gloss is, like I said, not tacky, doesn't smack around, it glides on, it's easy to wear, very comfortable, and they're beautiful. And they do have other colors. You don't have to get like the nudes. They do have other variations of the lip kits. Out and About is the lip kit. And they're just so pretty. But I got these because they did match the palette very well. And man, how can you go wrong with 20 bucks for all those shadows? You know? And it's just beautiful. And I was wondering, well, you know, I know it's a nudie palette, and I've got like tons of nudie palettes. But I ordered this before I got these last eyeshadow palettes from BoxyCharm. You know, and I did get a Natasha Denona palette, which is a nude palette. And then just out of the premium, the Alamascar, that was a nudie palette. And I mean, maybe would I have changed my mind on this particular palette had I have gotten those first? Maybe. But 20 bucks you know. And the formula, I like this formula. Now, hear me out. Better than I did the Natasha Denona palette. It seems like it's easier to work with. And it just, you know, everything seems to glide on. You know, with the Natasha Denona, I had to play around a little bit with it. And when I got done with it, it was just, you know, that's what I've got on tonight. But you know, I wanted to spruce it up a little bit because it did just look so, you know, you have 5 shadows to choose from. And one's a shimmer. So, you know, but it was very, very pigmented, you know, and it is good shadows. You know, they're awesome shadows, but if you lay the white one down or the cream color, that's like a base, you know, and then you got your 4 shadows really to work with that blow out with color. Now, you do have to be careful with those reds and then the brown because they are very pigmented, and you know, a little goes a long way. So if you get the Natasha Denona palette, just remember that. Go in softly, and if you want it more harsh, just build it up more. But as far as working with the shadows, I like the Morphe palette. Now, like I said, again, this was a new release. And if you're wanting to get this palette for 20 bucks, go ahead and get on there. And if you're new, you can get a 10% off discount. So you'll get this eyeshadow palette for $20. So you can't beat that. You know, and then the lip kits, I mean, $12.80. You get the pencil, you get the lipstick, and the lip gloss. So, wow, man. You can't even get basically all that at the drugstore for, like, L'Oreal or something. Maybe you can, but I doubt it. But anyway, and no stickiness at all to the lip gloss. And that's what I like about their formula. So, City Lips can't even compare. Their stuff's so tacky. And you pay $35 just for the lip gloss. Which is, I know it's supposed to be plumping, but it didn't really plump my lips. So, I don't know. I'm just saying. Okay, guys. I just wanted to bring you the news and let you see the new palette. We do have something coming in from ColourPop. I did get one of their bundles. I didn't get Raw Christie's, or what is it? Raw Christie's. You know who I'm talking about. I don't know why I can't think of her own. I watch her every night. It's about. But I have Beauty. Raw Beauty Christie. Or something like that. Anyway, I was going to get hers. But again, it's more geared towards nudie. She's got those pops of green and yellow. But I did get a bundle from ColourPop, but it's totally out of the nudie spectrum. You know, and I did get the Yoda, which is kind of out of the spectrum of nudes. So, being I got the Morphe palette, I just wanted to get something else that wasn't nudie, I guess. And I got these so cheap. 20 bucks, $12.80. You know, then I got the small bundle from ColourPop coming, and that's more or less my birthday and Christmas present, so, to myself. So, I don't even know if my daughter would be tired. Do you guys have problems with your kids, even as adults? I don't know. I hope I'm not alone in that one, but anyway, maybe she'll be talking to me by Christmas. Who knows? Oh, it's a Harley. All right, guys. I wanted to bring this to you. I don't want to keep rambling. All right, guys. Remember to always put him first because he kept you first. I love you guys so, so much. And we will see you again soon in our next video. All right, guys. Bye-bye from Florida. Bye.